What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here. In this video today, I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. You see, in doing YouTube marketing for a while now, I've realized that there's a percentage of people that watch this channel that aren't at the point in which they're ready to be a full-on out affiliate marketer, internet marketer, and build squeeze pages and make sales funnels and do email marketing or even build a YouTube audience, all the things that I talk about on this channel. Some of you guys watching this video just want to make some extra cash to make ends meet. So if you're broke and you're watching this video, I'm going to be giving you some valuable steps today in this video that you can actually start generating income in your life today, and you can actually expand it to a full-time income if you actually hustle with these things that I'm going to be talking about today in this video. And as a side note, if you're looking for me to tell you to go ahead and start trading hours for dollars or to go get another job, this isn't the video for you. So you might as well click off the video now. But if you want to learn how you can actually start working for yourself and generating a substantial amount of income over time, stay tuned to this video because we're starting right now. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here. And in this video, we're actually going to be teaching you the different steps that you need to take in order to start generating some income in your life, even if you're broke. So we're going to go through the steps very quickly, and then I'm going to be showing you guys some resources and what you can actually tap into that's actually going to get the ball rolling with this whole process. So the first thing you need to do is you need to generate some quick seed money, and we're going to talk about why in a second. The next thing you need to do is you need to learn a high-paying skill set, right? We're not talking about going out and getting a job. We're talking about a skill set that is high-paying in which you can actually trade your skill for a certain amount of money. The third thing you need to do is market that skill set to the masses, right? So what we're going to do now is just the 3 steps. So you need to generate some quick seed money. You need to learn a high-paying skill set. And then you need to market that skill set to the masses. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to a couple of sites, and I'm going to show you a couple of resources in which you can actually implement these 3 steps. All right, guys, so we're here at a website called Udemy.com. And what this website is, if you're not familiar with it, it's a platform that hosts a ton of different online courses on a variety of topics. And what I like about this website is a lot of these courses you can either get for absolutely free, or you can actually pay about $10.99, and you can learn what I would call a high-paying skill set and start taking that information and that knowledge that you just learned and start charging hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for the information that you're going to learn in these courses. So if you remember in my step 1, I talked about, generating a little bit of seed money in order to basically invest in yourself, right? People spend money on clothes and food and a whole bunch of other things that will never bring them any value or bring any type of financial return in their life. But when you talk to people about investing $10 into learning a skill set that could pay them thousands of dollars over time, they don't want to do that. So in this video, guys, I really want you guys to kind of open your mind to learning skills that actually people will spend a lot of money getting things done. So let's actually kind of dive into the site a little bit. So if you kind of hover over here over the categories, you can see that they have a ton of different online courses in a variety of topics. So you got IT, office productivity, design, marketing, photography, health and fitness, music, language, test prep. And if I go up here to like marketing and I just click on like search engine optimization, and maybe I want to learn about YouTube marketing, right? So what you'll see is you'll see a bunch of different YouTube marketing courses come up, and you'll see that, a lot of these courses are $10.99, right? So all of these courses are going to be about ranking YouTube videos in the search engines, so like ranking your video high in the search engines. So if you went through a couple of these courses, say you took some stuff from around the house, you sold some clothes, you sold some kitchen stuff, you sold some stuff that you don't use, and you got $50. and you went through like 4 or 5 of these courses, like basically feeding your mind and gaining the knowledge that you need to rank a video in YouTube, do you think that people would pay you to rank their video in YouTube? How many people that are on YouTube right now would love to get their video ranked in the top of the search engines? The money that you can make is substantial and it's unlimited, because that's a skill set that many people don't have, and it's something that most people desire if they're doing video marketing. So if you took the time to go through some of these courses, say you did 2, 3, 4 of these courses and learned all you could about YouTube and ranking videos in YouTube marketing, you go out and prove that you can actually rank a video on the first page, then now you have an asset, right? You have a skill set that people will pay big dollars for you to do. And so here's another course. This is Adobe Photoshop from scratch. And this course is actually free. I mean, look at this. It has over 68,000 students enrolled into this course, 4,000 ratings. It has 36 lectures and over 8 hours of coursework teaching you how to do Photoshop. Guys, do you think if you learn how to do Photoshop, you can actually make money? I can't tell you the amount of marketers that spend money on website designs and graphics and banners and thumbnails and print work and all of these things that, marketers and companies and businesses need in order to brand themselves. And you can learn all this stuff in Photoshop and you can do it for free. Here's another product. I pulled up web design, huge market. Huge market. And this course is $10.99. And as you can see, it has 7.5 hours and 93 lectures teaching you how to do WordPress. It's a WordPress bootcamp for beginners on building your own website, all right? $10.99, guys. You know how many people can't build a website? I can't build a website. I know that WordPress websites is probably fairly simple to do, but I don't do it. I don't build my own websites. I pay somebody to do it. But if you knew how to build a website, you would be a valuable person that myself and other marketers and people that don't want to do this technical stuff could reach out to pay. Because there's certain people that are just not going to learn this stuff, and they're always going to want somebody to do this work for them. So if you learn this skill set, say again, you bought a couple of these courses and you learn how to build an impressive WordPress site, learn how to do things, what you would be able to do is start charging hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for your work. Let's look at one last one. This is a photography masterclass, a complete guide for photography. 3,600 ratings, over 27,000 students enrolled into this course. The course is $10.99. It has, 330 lectures, over 21 hours worth of coursework. So if you have a camera, if you're already into photography and you want to learn how you can actually start generating a business from it, it's huge. You can make tons of money on the side doing photography, right? So the point of this video, guys, is I'm trying to get you guys to see that instead of trading hours for dollars or getting another job, learn a skill set. Learn something that you can actually start generating income for yourself and be your own boss. You could do graphics, you can make websites, you can be a photographer, you could do learn how to do SEO marketing. I mean, these are skill sets that people are currently paying big bucks for, and they will be paying big bucks for into the future. Well, how do you market yourself? Once you get on here and you learn that skill set, how do you market yourself? There's so many places that you can do that. For one, you can actually build your own website and start marketing yourself. But then there's websites like Fiverr. I'm on the site every other day buying stuff like graphics and thumbnails and banners and logos and getting somebody to put WordPress sites together for me and put squeeze pages together for me because I don't want to do it. I'd rather spend my time doing other stuff within affiliate marketing that I'm interested in and that I want to learn that's going to help me, improve my business. So I don't want to do graphic designs. I don't want to do my own logos. I'd rather just go here and pay somebody. Here's another website, conquer.io. freelancers, nothing but freelancers on the site. People are making tons of money. Some of these people are like full-time freelancers making hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know, doing these simple services for people that don't want to do it. Here's another site, Upwork.com. You know, it's a big freelancer website that you can actually join up with all of these different platforms, and you can start marketing yourself and generating business for yourself. Here's the last one I wanted to show you, peopleperhour.com. And you know, people have like hourly work that you can do for them, or you can set like a set amount depending on the project. But the point I'm trying to make, guys, is there is an endless amount of work out there for these different skills that we talked about over on Udemy. So if you learn some of those mass market skill sets, anything to do with graphic designs, anything to do with marketing, SEO, Facebook advertising, YouTube advertising, website creation, these are all skill sets that not only can you can start making a little bit of money, but you can actually start making a ton of money with these skill sets if you continue to perfect your craft and promote your business through some of these different platforms that we just kind of discussed today. So as I wrap this video, this is the message that I really want to get across to anybody watching this. If you're struggling financially in your life, the answer may not be to just go out and start trading more hours for dollars. What I would highly suggest to you is to learn one of these high-paying skill sets that you can start generating income today, tomorrow, next year, and you can start incrementally charging more money as you perfect your craft and get better at the skill set of your choice. This is something that can actually set you up for the future. This is something that can actually become a full-time income if you work this skill set, your business, hard enough. So this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So that's all I have for today, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.